Now we are going to discuss the PTE listening and how you can improve your scores with the expert tips and tricks. So this is the last portion of PTE. It will be a last question. So these are the question types. Number 1 will be summarize spoken text, then multiple choice, multiple answer, fill in the blanks, highlight correct summary, multiple choice, single answer, select missing word, highlight incorrect words, and lastly write from dictation. So these are all the questions that you will have to solve in your exam. So these are the listening score metrics. Like repeat sentence will be around 26% of your score. Write from dictation is 22%. Retell lecture is 20%. Summarize spoken text is 14. Highlight incorrect words 5. Listening fill in the blanks is 5. Highlight correct summary is 3%. Then multiple choice question is 2%. Then single answer is 1%. Select missing word is 1. And lastly short answer is 1. So PT summarize spoken text are you have to listen for the main ideas and supporting details. Note down keywords and phrases. Use complex and compound sentences. Rephrase instead of repeating words. And lastly, you have to check your grammar, spellings, and word count. So these are the basic tips that you have to keep in your mind before writing the summarized spoken text. Either you are solving the listening, reading, speaking, or writing portion. So the complex and compound sentences are like use of the connectives. Then it is the example. Like many of the cities are experiencing growth driven by migration from rural areas as more people move in search of job opportunities and better living conditions. Urban populations are expanding rapidly. This growth often puts pressure on infrastructure, can lead to a range of social and environmental issues if not managed effectively. So you have to summarize this. So step by step tips are that first of all you have to understand the task, that what it is about, what is the reason and what is the summary of the task. Then note keywords and ideas. Like while listening, write down the important words and the details. Don't write full sentence, write in bullet points. Then organize your points, like use arrow or lines to arrange your notes logically, because it will be not enough time to write down full sentence. Then write and revise, and at last you have to write and revise and check your grammar. So the multiple choice questions will be like you have to read the questions carefully, use your time wisely, evaluate all options, beware of traps and distractions. Like for example, if the have is used, then obviously third form of verb will be used. The example is in recent areas, global temperature have risen sharply due to increased greenhouse gas emissions. This has caused polar ice to melt, rising sea levels, and changes in agriculture across the world. Researchers emphasize the urgency for sustainable policies to mitigate the effects and reduce carbon footprints. So, what are the main effects of the rising temperature mentioned in the audio? So, the correct answer is B. Polar ice melting. So you have to obviously read the question, then use your time wisely, evaluate all options. So basically you can read the question, what are the effects of rising temperature mentioned in the audio. If you can see, then obviously the rising temperature is also due to the changes in agriculture, reduced carbon footprints, rising sea levels. All the options are correct, but according to the audio you have to see the audio. Sometimes in when I gave my PT, 2 3 options are given, but you have to select the option that is given according to the question. Then highlight incorrect words. So like example is like there is a growing awareness that global warming is merely a theory but a reality. Researchers around the world have shown that greenhouse emissions have increased drastically in the past few decades, but the errors will be like growing instead of glowing, word instead of word. So these are the very minute. When you listen the audio, then sometimes you can't differentiate between the words because it's sound like same, like L and R, they are like same, but you have to listen very quickly and scan the text before the audio begins. So give your mouse along. Then write from dictation. It's the most important question in listening. If you score well in this, then you will score and well in your PT listening. So basically the technology, this is our example, and your response is in audio. Then so things you have to remember, like you have to focus on the meaning, remember keywords, practice spelling, and use abbreviations for notes. So basically you have to listen. You have, this question has no shortcut. You have to practice it as much as you can, so you can listen small, then medium, then difficult sentences, and then write from it. Like, the technology has drastically changed the way we communicate across the globe. You can also write maximum number of the words and use logically. Then fill in the blanks, like globalization has dash the word economy, leading to increased dash between the countries and the businesses. So this is the example, and the correct answer is transformed and integration. But you have to, the tips are like, you read ahead, use grammar clues, protect words, check your answers. So the answers will be very similar, but you have to see that globalization has, so obviously third form will become, and then again leading to increase, like this one is in a past tense. So again your next answer is according logical. So these are the options given, like improved and integration, transformed integration, change, cooperation, benefited cooperation. So basically transformed fits the context to mean change completely, and integration is a good noun choice due to the article. So that's why we have to choose transform. Otherwise we can also choose improved integration, but transform fit more logically. So thank you.